guys. We are at Fort Zachary State Park in Key West, Florida, and we are about to go check out Fort Taylor. It's a Civil War era fort, and then maybe some walking trails, but lots of adventures in Key West today.
Fort Taylor was constructed in 1845 as part of the third-tier system of the defense, which called for the establishment of masonry fortresses constructed along America's coastline. That's pretty cool. No bicycles, we're leaving. Maya, you gotta stay out here.
To guard the harbor where it all began, Fort Taylor was designed in 1843 by Colonel Joseph Totten, Chief of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. The fort was a key installation in the Army's third-tier system of 42 coastal fortifications. Its purpose was to guard the harbor at Key West as well as the island itself.
Look, it's a Gatorade.
It's a wild Gatorade. This was a common drink among the soldiers of the Civil War, saying that it has electrolytes. Set up right over there. Like try and set up over there. It's there, and then boom goes the cannon.
History with Maya.
History with Maya.
Who goes in first?
Me.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it would be me.
Question.
Like getting tortured? Is it because your brother and sister always torture you?
cars are going to start flying to get to the other side without having to be the one to stop. So the cars are they're going really fast. So a van, see where, let's see that black vehicle right now going this way? Right
yep.
about there. A van was going this way, and the bridge tender came out and went like, what the heck, man, I already hit the button, why are you not stopping? So the guy stopped, and he backed up. Well, she had already hit the button for the thing to come down. So it went, bam, 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 right across the roof of his van. Look at that one, it's bent. See it?
Oh my god.
See that one, how it's kind of bent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how long have you been doing boats?
Today's my first day.
Today's your first day. All right, cool. Did you read the How to Boat for Dummies?
No, yeah, there was a matchbook and it had an ad on it. And my license should be here soon. Hey everybody, this is Captain Kathy with Family Fun Boat Tours down here in Isla Mirada in the Florida Keys. We just came back from a really fun time. We got to do some snorkeling, some sightseeing, a little stop over at the sandbar, did an eco tour. We had conditions right enough to go check out that lighthouse. It was a beautiful day and hopefully you enjoy the video.